My name is Shane Stibbe. I live here in Richland Center, Wisconsin. This last spring we had a lot of snow melting and some rain coming through, and unfortunately we had some water in our basement. The first thing I thought of was, what am I going to do? So I did contact Tri-State Basement Repair, contacted them and said, hey, what could you do to help me out? I got this situation going on. They returned my call quickly, came out here, assessed the situation, and gave me prices from what it cost to extensive cost to a lesser cost. We looked at landscaping to the possible of a sub pump. We came to a conclusion of doing a sub pump system in my basement. From that, we looked into options of doing a wireless system into our sub pump, which I would have less ease to worry about. So if I was on vacation somewhere, I could have to worrying about my electricity going out, the sub pump kicks in. You know, the company was great to work with. They came in professionally and answered my questions and my needs. You know, when the group came in, they looked in doing it. They were very respectful of my property. They came into my house, and when they did some of the work in the house, they laid down tarps and things to make sure other things wouldn't get damaged, not only just in the house or also on the property. When we got done with the sub pump system, we talked about doing some landscaping around the outside, so we don't have to have water worrying about going into my basement. You know, it was a relief that not worried about when it got said and done. You know, the warranty, what they have and what they did in conclusion, I felt very comfortable, and I would highly rate them to go to anybody else to help them out in any form. They're just a great company to work with.